subscribe.
Halo, assalamualaikum, Om Tante Brosis. Apa kabar Pian semua? Semoga kabar Pian semua sehat dan bahagia. Nah, kali ini MuRezTa Fish Channel membeli ikan Channa Maru baru, yaitu ikan Channa Maru yellow Sentarum, berukuran kurang lebih 25 cm yang membeli di Banjarmasin. Dan yellow Sentarum ini Ulun membelinya dengan menjual 3 ekor yellow Sentarum baby Ulun yang berukuran 15 cm serta 2 ekor red sampit berukuran 10 cm. Oke, Tante Brosis, ikutin terus video Ulun kali ini. Harus dimulai, langkah baiknya pengen klik tombol subscribe, like, comment, and share channel Ulunnya agar semakin bersemangat dalam memberikan informasi mengenai dunia perikanan di Kalsel. Selamat menonton. Assalamualaikum.
Channa ini Channa
nah itu lah.
Besar
Angkat lang. Lihat caranya.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out. I'm gonna live inside the upside down. to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Oke Om Tante Brosis, sampai di sini dulu video Ulun kali ini. Semoga video Ulun kali ini bisa bermanfaat. Adapun kesalahan informasi yang disampaikan bisa kalian tulis di kolom komentar. Sampai ketemu di video Ulun berikutnya. Ulun undur pamit. Assalamualaikum.